Alright, so we got a PlayStation 5 here. This one came in as it powers up for a second but then shuts off. So we get a light for a second, bang, shuts off. Alright, so what we're going to do is open it up, take a look at it, see if we can figure out what it is. If it's a short or power supply. Does look like it's been taken apart. It's missing this part, missing that screw. Should be checking for shorts too. Those lines. Well, we got a dead short here. There's our problem. So this fuse right here. What's the odds I was gonna say, oh yeah, let's check for shorts, right? See, this one's fine. Reading in the 500s. This one's 0000. Dead short. Okay, what's on that rail? There's something on the other side. And that fuse, let's see, that fuse is gonna go to the fan. It's the fan, right? Let's see. No, that's not the fan. That's for CD drive power. So if we go over here, you're gonna see, not that one, that's short. That's not supposed to be short. So we're gonna have to pump some voltage into there and see what's shorting out. Alright, so I got the board flipped around the other way. See if we can find it, because it wasn't that. It's going to be hard. I got to probe this wire carefully. There we go. Oh yeah, that thing's climbing. 51 degrees. It's about there. Oh yeah, that's kind of cooking. Alright. So on the flare camera, I don't know why I went and removed that chip. That's not even the area that it was at. For some reason I decided to just remove that chip, and it's over here. So let's look. So if it's not the chip, it's gonna be this cap. Alright, here we go. Voltage, bam. You can see how it instantly dries off, that chip. Alright, let's remove that cap. See if that's the problem. And then we can put our other chips back on. See if that guy is a short. So let's take our probe meter, our probes. There we go. We found our guy. Can you believe that? Couple cent component. God, I can't touch him for some reason. Hold on. There we go. There goes our guy. So that's our little dirty guy right there. That was what causing the short. So we can take that guy. We're gonna throw him out. Now I don't know what the value is for that. I'm just gonna have to kind of wing it off a donor board. Wow. So that was costing us short. And that would have been, I believe that's just powering up the CD drive. Basically, that's kind of like the power source for the CD
But if I
drive.
lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion.
We got it back together. HDMI, power. Then we're gonna hit grab a PS4 controller. Alright, we're gonna hit that power. Alright, there we go. We got a PlayStation symbol. Wasn't shut down proper. There you go. You guys can hear. We got sound. No update. Alright, there we go. We got it fixed. Alright, so I hope you guys liked the video. Basically, all that was wrong with this PlayStation was a simple little capacitor right there that stopped the whole system from powering up, and that had to do with the actual CD drive, the power going to the actual CD drive, and it was just a shorted capacitor or a couple cent component stopping an expensive game console from powering up. Kind of ridiculous if you ask me, but I hope you guys like this video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right here. And as always, thanks for watching.